Apple Pay versus Samsung Pay. Which is better? I'm going to tell you the difference between Apple Pay and Samsung Pay, and which one might work better for you. Both are digital wallets that let you pay using your phone or smartwatch. Apple Pay works on iPhones and Apple Watches, while Samsung Pay is exclusive to Samsung Galaxy devices. Both support contactless payments, in app purchases, and secure tokenization, so your card info is never exposed. Now, here's the key difference: Samsung Pay used to support MST, or magnetic secure transmission, which let you pay even on older card machines without NFC. But newer Samsung phones dropped MST, making it mostly NFC based like Apple Pay. In terms of bank support, Apple Pay is slightly ahead globally, especially outside the United States. It's also tightly integrated into the Apple ecosystem. Face ID, Wallet app, Apple Cash, it's seamless. Samsung Pay has Samsung Rewards, which is a plus if you like earning points for purchases. So which is better? If you use an iPhone, go with Apple Pay. It's faster, more widespread, and fits right into iOS. But if you're a Samsung user, Samsung Pay is just as secure and convenient.